In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the taskbar when in full screen in Windows 11. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by going to your Windows 11 desktop, then right-click any empty space on your taskbar. From the menu that appears, click on Taskbar Settings. This will open the settings page directly to the taskbar options. Scroll down to the bottom until you see Taskbar Behaviors, then click the drop-down arrow to expand it. Inside this section, look for the option that says Automatically Hide the Taskbar. Check the box next to it to enable this feature. Once enabled, move your mouse away from the bottom of the screen. You'll notice that the taskbar will automatically disappear, giving you a cleaner full screen experience. If you need to access the taskbar again, simply move your cursor to the very bottom edge of your screen and it will reappear instantly. For apps like browsers or video platforms, you can also use true full screen mode. Press the F11 key on your keyboard while using apps like Chrome or watching videos. This will hide the taskbar and maximize your screen space. If you notice that the taskbar still stays visible even in full screen mode, you can refresh it using Task Manager. Click the Start button, type Task Manager, and press Enter. Inside Task Manager, find Windows Explorer in the list of processes. Right-click on it and select Restart. This will refresh your system interface and usually fix any issues with the taskbar not hiding properly. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.